Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss although or though. Although and though both mean in spite of. This means that the clause which they introduce is a subordinate clause which needs a main clause to make it complete. They are subordinating conjunctions. Example: though he is poor, he is honest. In this sentence, though he is poor is a subordinate clause or dependent clause. It cannot stand on their own. It needs a main clause to make it a complete sentence. But he is honest is a main clause. It gives complete meaning. It can stand alone, so it is called as main clause. Look at this example. The players enjoyed the trip to the final although they lost the match. In this sentence, the players enjoyed the trip to the final is a main clause because it gives complete meaning. It can stand on their own. And although they lost the match is a subordinate clause or dependent clause. Here is another example for you. Though it was rainy, we put on our jackets and went for a walk. In this sentence, though it was rainy is a subordinate clause. We put on our jackets and went for a walk is a main clause. Though is more common than although in general. Though and although used to express two contrasting ideas. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.